This tutorial will explain the vendor membership. We have 4 levels vendor membership. One is the bronze, that's a free level. Silver, $100. Gold, $200. Platinum, $400. That's a one-time payment for life. The features for the different level. Product limit. That's how many products you can upload to the shop. Free level 1, silver 10, gold 20, platinum unlimited. Category limit. Shoe, electronics, clothes. That's 3 categories. Free level, you can only upload 1 category. Silver 3, gold 6, platinum unlimited. Gallery limit. When you upload your product, you will load image for the product. And at the same time, you might want to upload several images from different angle or direction. For free level, you can only have 1 image here. Silver, you have 2. Gold, you have 4. Platinum, you have unlimited. For the product author publish, we make vendor life easy. So we put all the levels product publish automatically. No need to prove. Finally, that's a YouTube video banner. You can use YouTube video as a banner to show the public your store setup, your product, everything inside your company as advertised. So that's a good value for the vendors. So after you decide which level membership you want to join, you just subscribe now. Start to register. So put a username, email, first name, last name, etc. I will explain this processing in another tutorial. Thank you for watching.